Sometimes the most valuable home upgrades are the ones you stop noticing because everything just feels better. Quieter nights, easier breathing, a calmer space overall. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today, we're reviewing the Homvana 3.6-liter Cool Mist Humidifier, designed for bedrooms, nurseries, offices, and larger living spaces. This is a top-fill ultrasonic humidifier that combines long runtime, ultra-quiet operation, aromatherapy support, and certified safety features in a clean, understated design. If dry air affects your sleep, your child's comfort, or even your houseplants, this is a product that may be highly relevant for you. You'll find the link in the description, and I've pinned it in the comments for easy access. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, the Homvana Humidifier focuses on reliability, safety, and everyday comfort. Let's take a closer look at what makes it worth considering. Reason number 1. Extended moisture without constant refilling. The 3.6-liter water tank delivers up to 34 hours of continuous cool mist on a single fill. In real-world use, that means full overnight coverage and well into the next day without interruption. It's especially useful for bedrooms and nurseries, where consistency matters and frequent refilling becomes inconvenient. Reason number 2. Ultra-quiet performance for uninterrupted sleep. Operating at just 23 decibels, this humidifier is designed to stay out of your awareness entirely. Homvana's silent spray technology and display-off sleep mode ensure there's no distracting noise or light during the night. Even sound-sensitive sleepers and babies can rest comfortably while it runs. Reason number 3. Safety-first design for family peace of mind. This humidifier is BPA-free and built with automatic shut-off protection that activates when water runs low. That eliminates dry running risks and allows for safe overnight operation. It's a thoughtful design choice that makes this model particularly well-suited for nurseries and family homes. Reason number 4. Effortless top-fill refilling and cleaning. The detachable tank and wide opening make refilling simple and mess-free. You don't need to flip the unit or worry about spilling water onto furniture. Cleaning is equally straightforward, which supports better hygiene and long-term performance with minimal effort. Reason number 5. Integrated aromatherapy for added comfort and humidification. This unit also functions as an essential oil diffuser. By adding a few drops of oil to the built-in aroma pad, the fragrance gently disperses throughout the room. It's ideal for winding down at night, meditation, or creating a more relaxing environment without needing a separate device. Reason number 6. Gentle support for plants and larger spaces. Consistent cool mist output makes this humidifier suitable not just for people, but also for indoor plants that benefit from stable humidity. Its coverage works well in larger rooms, maintaining a balanced environment without oversaturating the air. Reason number 7. A clean design that fits modern living. Finished in a neutral gray with soft lighting options, the Homvana humidifier blends naturally into bedrooms, offices, and living areas. It feels intentional rather than utilitarian. Combined with its durable build and consistent performance, it's designed to be a long-term part of your home rather than a temporary solution. So, what's the final verdict? This isn't a feature-heavy smart humidifier, and that's exactly the point. The Homvana 3.6-liter humidifier is best suited for people who want quiet operation, long runtime, certified safety, and easy daily use, without complexity. If comfort, simplicity, and peace of mind matter most to you, this model stands out in its category. That's the breakdown. Take a moment. Does this feel like a win for you? If it does, go ahead and buy with confidence, knowing you're making the right choice for your space and your comfort.